Hi, this is Joel with WestAIR Heating and Cooling, here today to show you how to do the maintenance on your air exchanger. To do the maintenance on your air exchanger, first you need to undo the latches on top of the unit and pull down the door. There's two aqua colored filters in the unit that need to be washed once every 4 months under cold water. The heat recovery core needs to be washed twice a year in a warm soapy water like a dish soap. The inside of the unit can also be wiped down once a year. And there is also vents on the outside of the house for the intake and the exhaust air that have a screen in them. We recommend cleaning the screens once a year. This is your air exchanger control. There is a power button that when lit up means there is power to the unit. There is fan settings on here, which we want to run the unit 24/7, 365 days in a low speed. So continuously all the time. You can turn the unit up to high when there is excess ventilation needed, say you're cooking something or there's a smell in the house. The control also has a dehumidistat function that is used only during the heating season. If you have any further questions, just contact us at WestAIR Heating and Cooling.